Welcome. If you want to get iOS launcher on your SHAPR Aquos Sense2, at the first you have to go over the Play Store, next tap on the search pool and type iOS launcher. Let's get this application from root in developer, then install. Click open. Accept permissions. And as you can see, here we can change a lot of things in this launcher. For example, we can change the blur effects or the animation, but you can make it after set it up. So click here, then select iOS launcher 14 and select always. It's very important. Then accept other stuff. And as you can see right now, we are with this launcher on our smartphone. We can edit icons on the home screen and also widgets right here. Select always second time, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.